Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar Mahapatra welcome you all to your channel The Utkal Investor. Today we'll analyze one of the reliable and safest stock in the Indian stock market. The company was founded in 1942 during the World War II. During this period there was a ban on import of paints in India. Looking at the opportunity, Mr. Champaklal Choksi along with his three friends founded Asian Paints. Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decor, bath fittings and related services. Asian Paints is India's first and Asia's third largest paint corporation. The company has acquired more than 50% of the market share in the Indian paint industry. Recently, the company has entered into the adhesives industry, which is mainly controlled by Pidilite. Asian Paints operates and commands very much the same way as Maruti does in the auto sector. The company has given magnificent return to its investors in the past. 1 lakh invested in January 2000 is worth somewhere around 1 crore today. That means the company has given almost 100 times returns to its investors over 20 years period. Recently the business has been under pressure due to low real estate demand and COVID-19 concerns. The sales has been down by around 8% and the profit is down by around 1% in the quarter 4 of FY20. For the first half of financial year 21, most probably the business will register lower sales and profit due to the monsoon and COVID-19. There will be a low real estate demand during this period. The company is very much dependent on the real estate sector. There will be an acute shortage of labor in the real estate sector because most of the laborers has migrated to their villages due to the pandemic. Due to all these reasons, the company is forced to give an extra discount to its dealers, which will impact its profitability. But post the easing of COVID-19 and monsoon, the company is all set for a positive ride. There is a fall. The crude oil prices has been falling in the international markets, which will benefit the company over a period of time. For paint company, more than 50% of the input components are from crude oil extracts. So low crude oil prices will benefit the company. The company will start realizing the benefit from third quarter of this fiscal. Then the company has always been focusing on innovative products and has a good research and development team. For example, during this COVID-19 period, they have come up with a product known as Royal Health Shield, which is an wall paint which helps in removing bacteria from the walls. Then the company has entered into the adhesives market and waterproofing solution, which will again add to the company's revenue over a period of time. The company has a track record of nurturing and motivating talent. During these difficult times when there are regular news of job losses and salary cuts, the company has hiked the salary of its employees to keep them motivated. Barring the Q4 of FY20, if we look at the results of Asian Paints, the company has over the years consistently improved the sales, profit and most importantly the net profit margin. The company has always taken good care of all its stakeholders. Maybe it's its suppliers, the employees, the shareholders. As I have already said, the kind of returns the company has generated in the past, along with that the company is a good dividend paying company and increases the payment of dividend every year. For FY20, the company has declared a dividend of 12 rupees per share. The debt to equity ratio for Asian Paints is 0.03. That means it's almost a debt free company. मतलब ये सोने पे सुहागा हो गया. A good and wonderful company and is available at debt free. Then the return on equity for the company is 26.70. That means if the company invests 100 rupees from its pockets, it generates a profit of 26.70 rupees from it, which is fantastic. But from valuation perspective, the company is a bit expensive. The company is trading at a price to earning multiples of 60 and the price to book value of 16. So investors should not rush in to buy the stock. They should wait for a correction in the market. A price range of 1000 to 1200 will be a good entry point for this stock. The market will definitely give us a chance to enter this stock. So do keep this stock on your watch list. For more such analysis, do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye and take care.